Why is it important to know the National Association of the Education of Young Children, also known as NIAC health standards? It is our responsibility to provide an environment that is conducive to the health and well-being of our children and staff. The information and resources that NIAC provides allows us a foundation to build upon when creating our standard operating procedures. How will this knowledge support creating a healthy environment? NIAC provides us with the recommendations for best practices. By ensuring all health records are up to date during registration and annually thereafter, we will ensure we are meeting every child's identified needs, such as allergies or developmental delays. Annual staff trainings will include proper health and sanitation procedures, such as illness awareness, diapering, hand washing, administering medications, SIDS, nutrition, and food safety. This will promote consistency and accountability throughout the program. What 2 actions will I take to promote child health consistent with the NIAC standards? My program will participate in the USDA Child and Adult Care Food Program to support proper nutrition for all the children in our program. As we see more and more families relying upon fast food and prepackaged food items, we should take the opportunity to promote healthy eating habits and provide a hot meal. Through CACFP, we will be able to not only ensure nutritious meals, but also to educate families on nutrition. To keep parents informed, all children under the age of 3 will be provided with a daily memo indicating how often and what was eaten throughout the day. Monthly sanitation inspections will be conducted to ensure food is being prepared, stored, and served according to CACFP and sanitation requirements. To promote proper hand washing posters will be posted at each child and adult sink as a reminder to wash hands, along with liquid soap and disposable towels. When soap and water is not available, such as during outdoor playtime, hand sanitizer will be accessible. Teachers will be encouraged to include hand washing in their lesson plans to talk about personal hygiene and the responsibility each of us have to keep ourselves and our peers safe and healthy.